How to fix Google Chrome is slow or lagging on your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're facing this problem whereby your Google Chrome is not working in a proper manner, here are some fixes that you can try on. The very first one would be updating your Windows 11. Make sure that you have the latest version of your Windows 11 operating system and it has been up to date as well. Microsoft frequently releases updates that include performance enhancement and optimizations. Likewise, the next option would be updating your Google Chrome. To do so, open your Google Chrome, click on the three dots on the top right corner, and then go to Settings. Once the settings is open, you have to click on About Chrome, which is on the bottom on the left right side panel. Click on Check for updates and make sure that your Google Chrome is updated. Likewise, the third option is Close unnecessary tabs. Having too much tabs open or running numerous extensions can consume system resources and slow down the Chrome. So close any tabs of extensions that you are not currently using. Likewise, the next option would be to manage your extensions. For that as well, you can go to the section of three dots on the top right corner and then go to bookmarks and extensions and go to manage extensions. Now remove all of such extensions which are not currently required. This will also make your Chrome faster and increase the efficiency. Likewise, the another solution would be clearing the browsing data. In order to clear the browsing data, again tap on the three dots on the top right corner and there you have the option of clear browsing data as well. Now you have to select for the browsing history, cache and cookies which can help you improve the Chrome's performance. If you cannot find it there, you can go to Chrome settings, navigate to privacy and security and then tap on clear browsing data. So once you have done all of this, your computer should probably be working faster and the Chrome should be now efficient. So that is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.